11 AM and the start of the 5th building day, which is the last building day. Yesterday I got progress of that wall, the long wall. Today I've made the I've made the progress of those sticks that are in that pyramid, and I'm working on a mini sunwood field with 500 dominoes in it. And if you're wondering how I'm going to topple that tower, I'm going to use the launcher. See this launcher? This is the launcher I'm going to use. I'm just going to quickly set it up as an example of what I'm going to do. Grab this domino. Set this thing up. It's upside down. And put it in that thingy-majig. I don't want it in the launcher. Pull the trigger backwards. I'll get this one to lower, so I want to trigger this cannon. 3, 2, 1, go. And that's how I was going to trigger the cannon. I think I'll use a ping pong ball maybe, but that's how it should work. I'll play around with the settings and try and get it to work. That's it for the video. I'm not going to update you. I'll update you later today once I finish the setup, and then once you've seen that, you can just wait for the final video on my main channel for the